Welcome to our video on designing for print on demand using Adobe Illustrator. My name is Wael, and you are watching Sketchaa Merch Design channel. In this video, we'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of creating a hoodie design for the niche I wanna be nice, but then people happen. This niche has less than 1,000 results on Redbubble, and accordingly you can work on it as it has low competition. We can talk about how to find niches for your designs on another video. On Adobe Illustrator, I will create a new document with the dimensions of 4,500 by 5,400 pixels. These are my preferred dimensions whenever I design for print-on-demand websites, because they match with most of them. Just make sure to have your resolution set to 300p. For this tutorial, I'll be using design sources from 𝗗𝗜𝗨𝗏𝗧. I'll leave a link in the description for a free 1-month trial to 𝗗𝗜𝗨𝗏𝗧. Now, I will download 3 bundles for this tutorial to use for my design. A cartoon hands bundle, a cartoon eyes bundle, and finally a clouds bundle. You can download all the 3 bundles for free with the free 1-month trial offer available in the description of this video. First, you should have an idea about what merch color you want to design. For my design, I decided to place it on a white hoodie. So, I started collecting the design elements that I need from each of the downloaded bundle. I duplicated the eyes and using the Pathfinder, I merged the second copy and changed its color to white. I grouped both copies together and adjusted the size of them. I also duplicated the hand and reflected it to create the second arm of my shape. Then, I changed the color to blue. I used the ellipse tool to create a circle. I also used the offset path option to create another ellipse and a third one. Then, I increased the size of the stroke of the middle circle to create this effect. I used one of the clouds of the bundle to create the lower part of my design. I then use the pen tool to create a curved line, then I use the type on a path tool to add my text on it. After that, I use the shape builder to delete the background of my main cloud and merge the extra shapes. Then I added the remaining text after playing with some fonts. I also added a shape line using a font called Swash. Finally, I placed a yellow background to the design and deleted any unnecessary parts which were created when using the shape builder. Once we're happy with the final design, we'll export it as a high-resolution PNG or JPEG, ready for print on demand. It's important to make sure that the design is saved at the correct resolution and size, so that it will print clearly on merch. If Redbubble is not accepting your design in 300p resolution, lower the resolution to 150p while exporting and you would be able to upload it without problems. Finally, choose the products you like on Redbubble and disable the rest. Thanks for watching our video on designing for print on demand using Adobe Illustrator. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now ready to start creating your own designs for print on demand merchandise. Thanks for watching.